Hi, thank you for calling ABC Heating and Air. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm having some problems with my AC unit. It's blowing warm air out of the vents. We have it set at 76, but we can't get below 84 degrees in the house.
That's no fun, especially when it's that warm inside. Is the unit outside still running or has it stopped completely?
No, it's still running. It's just blowing warm air.
Got it. That's definitely frustrating. Let me check what we've got open so we can get someone out there to take a look. I can get you in as early as today at 6 o'clock p.m. Would that work for you?
Yes.
Great. I'll get that reserved for you. Before I can finalize everything, what's the best name for the appointment?
That's John, John.
Got it, John. And what's the best number to reach you?
928-555-5252.
All right, 928-555-5252. And what's the full address where you need the tech to come out?
2212 West Myrtle, Phoenix, Arizona, 85225.
Got it. So that's 2212 West Myrtle, Phoenix, Arizona, 85225, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. And are you the homeowner or are you renting?
No, I'm the homeowner.
Got it. Do you know where the system is located? Outside, in the attic, a closet, or up on the roof?
No, it's it's on the outside, in the backyard.
Okay, in the backyard. And is there a gate code or any pets we should know about?
No.
All right. And will someone 18 or older be home during the visit?
Yes.
Perfect. One last thing. Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the booking confirmation?
Yeah, John, John @gmail.com.
Got it. So that's john@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
You're all set for today, June 18th at 6 o'clock p.m. The tech will come out to 2212 West Myrtle, and we'll use 928-555-5252 if we need to reach you. I've also noted that the unit is in the backyard. Anything else I can help with before I let you go?
Nope, that'll do it. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome, John. We'll see you this evening. Take care and stay cool.